Gaming here, and welcome to another remake of the how to make fireworks. Yeah, with no this is with no mods. Yeah, so let's show you how I did this cannon. Now let me demonstrate on how it works. Okay, so first we have redstone. It's okay if the redstone is on top because it will work, and you need some repeaters for the redstone signal to continue. So example, if I had no repeaters on, my TNT cannon should not work. Hold on. And yeah, so if example, if I turn it on, the redstone signal doesn't reach here already. So in order for it to go there, we gotta break this one, put some redstone there, put another redstone here, and yeah, and it should work. Yeah, so now let's turn it back off. So you need some TNT, some redstone, anything, buttons, levers, yeah. So this kind of a block, some water, and some repeaters. Now let's fire this baby. Hold on, I gotta fill up the I gotta fill the cannons first. Hold on. Here, right there. Close that. There. Shoot. Right there. Here. And another one here. So now let's pull the lever. Now see, and then 3, 2, 1, go. And there's my cannon. It's blue. Yay! Oh, so this is just a simple cannon. So if you want to make it so strong, you can. Yeah, so this is the cannon. Ta-da! Ta-da! Okay, now guys, like this video, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!